and welcome back to Five Lakes Garage. We're not inside the shop today, we are outside in our backyard. We call it our little oasis. Now, it's not summertime, it is springtime. As you can see, the leaves are not on the trees yet, but it doesn't stop us from upgrading what we're gonna actually be able to have out here in the backyard. We like to do some entertaining, and last year we used the Herdio's 400 series speakers. Here we go. These are the 400 series. These are the passive series. Now, I needed a receiver, so we ran lines all the way inside the house. That worked out great until we wanted people on the back deck and the pool listen to two different things. It didn't work out. This year, we're gonna go ahead and upgrade it, because not only that, I stole these for the shop. These things work great, had them in the shop, and they've been working fantastic. But what are we gonna upgrade to? All right, Herdio has the new 300 series. This is a little bit smaller, same wattage, and it's an active series. That means it's Bluetooth. Set up your phone, only out here. You can have something else going on inside. It does not matter. We're gonna hook these up to the post and actually have some good sound out here. Another good thing, waterproof. Just leave it out here the whole time. Don't have to take it in at night. Don't have to take it in during the weather. Doesn't make a difference. You just leave it out here and just use it. All right, let's see what we got in the box. All right, first thing you're gonna have instructions. You can read it. Probably should read it. And then you're gonna come up with two speakers. Now this one right here, like I said, it is an active speaker. It has auxiliary in, it's got power in, and it also has speaker wire out. Why do you have speaker wire out? Because you need a passive one. Now listen right here, you can hook this up to any of the Herdio's amplifiers and it works great. But we're gonna put these two together. Also in the box you get about 2.5 meters of speaker wire, and then you're gonna need a AC adapter. Don't worry about having to charge it. It's gonna be plugged in. You hardwire it in, you never have to worry about it. So let's go ahead and put these things on the post, see what they look like, and most importantly, see what they sound like. All right, our two little speakers are mounted, and I have to say they blend in nicely. I'm really liking it so far. Take a look, see, look. All nice and blended in. When this vine actually grows up here in about another month to look like that one, then we should be able to be, you're not gonna be able to see it, but you're gonna be able to hear it, and that is awesome. All right, remember when I said a little bit ago that it had auxiliary in? Here's my vision. This is gonna make the backyard even better. 80-inch TV hanging from the pergola here, or pergola, it depends on what country you're from, and then have the auxiliary going out to those speakers so we can actually hear the TV all the way in the back of the pool. I can't wait. Movie night in the pool, game night in the pool, game during the day, doesn't make a difference. We're gonna be in the pool and enjoying it. All right, so getting ready to see what it sounds like, and I have to say, I don't have any copyrights, so we're gonna listen to myself.
Back here in the backyard.
All right, so both of them are working. Volume is really low, but we're gonna take a step back and see how far we can go to actually listen to it.
And it will show you how we actually built this thing with mostly a shovel and a wheelbarrow. Obviously, I didn't dig the pool. I dug the fire pit out. I did the concrete area, did all the landscaping, did all the stuff.
All right, here we are almost to the end of the pool, and we can hear it just fine. These 200 waters, it's gonna be sufficient to what we actually need right now. So we're gonna test it out a little bit more this summer, but right now I think we're in great shape. So go over to Herdio's website. They're on Amazon. Links are below. If you use 5 Lakes Garage as your promo code, you get 10% off of your entire order. This is a no-brainer. You should go ahead and at least take a look at them. They have 400. They have the 400 series. They got the 300 series. They have boats. They have outdoor. They have indoor. They have wall mount. They even have amplifiers. They got it all. Go ahead and take a look. See what they got. See what's going to be best for you, and go ahead and give them a shot. So far, I'm liking it. We're going to give another video in about another 6 months to see how it is after 6 months of use. But so far, the ones in the shop, working out great. So until next time, take it easy, have fun, get out there and get your summer oasis ready, because the time is a-changing. All right, until next time, take it easy, have fun, and we'll see you later.